came out. He came out. He came out. He's huge. Oh my God. Just one. He's huge, Bobo. Yes, sir. If you can see him, shoot him. Papa. Papa.
My leg.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
I may have tore him up when I got him shoot coming out.
I think we both shot twice. I shot again.
Did you shoot twice?
Yeah.
Did you have a clear shot at him?
Yeah, I had a clear shot.
Okay. Let's see how far.
I feel like I hit him over here though. Cause he tipped it back and then he came up.
Yeah.
Oh, man. I think I hit him here. Or here. Yeah. One of the sides. I know you got the other side.
Well, that wasn't him that come across the field, was it?
Mm-mm. That was her. She came across.
Yeah.
And when we was calling, that's who we heard. We heard him coming out of here.
Yeah.
And then when she came on up to this side, he just hopped out. He just literally jumped out. And I was like, oh my God. That's a big bird.
That dude got some nice spurs on him there.
That he do.
Well, you shot him about 9.